Hey guys, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to make at home coronavirus disinfecting spray. With some products, you can just do it at your home. It's pretty simple. You need a little bit of hydrogen peroxide. You need some alcohol. And if you have Dettol, that's good. If you don't, that's still fine. So this is what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna mix everything in here, and I'm going to take about 50 ml. As you can see, I'm gonna be taking 50 ml of hydrogen peroxide and alcohol, and about 25 ml of Dettol. Okay, so this is where I'm gonna mix it. First, I'm gonna take alcohol and I'm gonna pour it into the measuring cup. There we go. This is about 50 ml. Pour it in here. Then I'm going to use hydrogen peroxide. Same 50 ml. Okay. It's also 50 ml. Pour it in here. And Dettol. This you do not want to put a lot, just few drops should do, because this is really concentrated. There we go. You see the color is changing, and just mix it with something. I have straw right now, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, you can put this in any spray bottle. Just put this liquid in any spray bottle, and then you can use it as a sprayer, and then use a microfiber to wipe your mails, your grocery in a packet. And you can reuse this over and over. Once this runs out, you can create more. All you need, the basic ingredients, is alcohol, hydrogen peroxide. An optional item is Dettol. It's optional. It's better if you put it. If not, these will still kill the germs. Okay. Hydrogen peroxide is very inexpensive. It's about 80 cents. With COVID-19, it's probably a little bit more expensive. How people are getting, but it's usually very inexpensive. Alcohol is about a few bucks. Also, I have 70% alcohol, so this should do the job. If you like the video, please make sure you click on like and subscribe. If you have any other questions, feel free to drop me a message. Thank you.